Deploying Azure SQL Query Performance Insight is a straightforward process that helps you monitor and optimize the performance of your Azure SQL databases. To start, navigate to the Azure portal and select your Azure SQL database. In the left-hand menu, click on Query Performance Insight under the Intelligent Performance section. The first step is to enable Query Performance Insight, which can be done by clicking on the Enable button. This will allow Azure to start collecting query performance data. Once enabled, you will see an overview of your top resource-consuming queries, including CPU, data I/O, and log write usage. To drill down into more detailed information, click on the Top Queries tab. Here, you will see a list of your top queries, along with their execution counts, CPU usage, and data I/O usage. You can sort and filter this list to identify specific queries that are causing performance issues. To analyze a specific query, click on the Query Details button. This will take you to a page that shows the query's execution plan, wait statistics, and resource usage. This information can help you identify performance bottlenecks and optimize your query. Best practices for using Query Performance Insight include regularly monitoring your top queries, analyzing query execution plans, and optimizing queries that are causing performance issues. You can also use the recommendations provided by Azure to help optimize your queries. In addition to monitoring query performance, Query Performance Insight also allows you to compare query performance over time. This can help you identify trends and patterns in your query performance and make data-driven decisions to optimize your database. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Query Performance Insight to optimize the performance of your Azure SQL databases and improve the overall efficiency and scalability of your applications. Regular monitoring and optimization of your queries can help you reduce costs, improve user experience, and increase overall database performance.